Hi, I'm Moby. I'm the lead product designer on the GoodNotes classroom team. And today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about how to give your students grades, scores, points, whatever you want to call them, in GoodNotes classroom. So over here, I've already set up a PDF. I've imported a PDF into GoodNotes, and I've set it up as a GoodNotes classroom document already. We have a tool called the Answer Zone tool. And this is what you're going to need to be able to give points to the answers that your students give you. So the tool is located here in the toolbar next to the pen tool. Once you have it selected, you can tap anywhere on your PDF to draw an answer zone. So I have one here already, and I'm just going to adjust it, resize it, and make sure that it's covering the area of my question. You might notice in the bottom right of the answer zone, we have what we're calling a scoring widget. You can press on the minus or the plus if you want to just quickly add points or remove points. So I can tap on it. Maybe I want this warm-up exercise to be worth 2 points, so I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm going to tap again right below and set up the next answer zone. So this one I'm going to make it slightly larger, give a little bit more space for my students to answer. And for this one, I want to give it, let's say, 5 points, okay? And so once I've done that and selected off of the answer zone, let me tap on the pen tool, and now you can see there are these little boxes that are on the paper, and these things will always be here, and they represent the points that are available in this particular question. So how does it work with students? So I'm going to go to the navigation bar. So that's up here in the top, the blue portion at the top of the screen. And I'm going to switch to teaching mode. So the teaching mode is this little check mark here with the sparkles. So I'm going to tap on that. So I can see I already have a bunch of responses here, and I'm going to swipe through and see that my students have already been filling out the answers. So how do I go about giving points to my students? It's very, very easy. All I have to do is tap on the answer zone, and now you can see the answer zone is selected, and I have my scoring widget there available, waiting for me to give the points to the student. So this student, I'm gonna say good job, and it's a full mark, 2 out of 2. For the next question though, not sure, maybe 3 out of 5. And then when I'm ready to switch to the next student, all I have to do is just swipe along the bottom of the screen. And now with this student, all I have to do is, again, repeat the same process, tap on it, and put in 2 points, and then put in 5 points. Very easy. Press enter to lock that in. But it doesn't stop there. It gets even better. I can go ahead and use the view by questions mode, which I can access through this eye icon in the nav bar. So once I tap on that, you can see I'm currently viewing this assignment by pages, and I can switch over to questions. So once I do that, I see all of my students' work for this particular question in a row, in a list. And same thing, I can just tap on here, easily give the points, press enter, it turns blue to let me know it's received the points. And the students get it instantly. Boom, I've already marked this entire class's question 1, just like that as we're sat here. When I'm ready to go to the next question, I just swipe on the page and boom, I'm in the next question, and I can do the same thing. I can go back to the first page, and you can see at the bottom, all of the total scores have been updated to reflect the points that I've given my students. I hope you found that useful, and stay tuned for the next one.